5 top athletic scholarships. 1. Fulbright Foreign Student Program. The Fulbright Foreign Student Program provides full funding, including tuition fees, travel expenses, health insurance, and a monthly stipend. This is the most prestigious scholarship programs globally, offering scholarships to international students across various disciplines, including athletics. 2. Ivy League scholarships. The Ivy League universities in the United States, including Harvard, Yale, Princeton, and others, offer athletic scholarships to outstanding student athletes, including international students. These scholarships are highly competitive and cover tuition fees, room and board, and other associated costs. 3. NCAA Division I scholarships. The National Collegiate Athletic Association, NCAA, Division I schools in the United States offer athletic scholarships to talented international student athletes. These scholarships cover tuition fees, room and board, textbooks, and sometimes even additional living expenses. 4. Erasmus Mundus Sports Scholarships. The Erasmus Mundus Sports Scholarships are available for international students interested in pursuing sports-related studies in Europe. These scholarships are offered by a consortium of European universities and cover tuition fees, travel costs, and a monthly allowance. 5. Canadian Athletic Scholarships. Canadian universities are known for their strong athletic programs and scholarships. Institutions like the University of Toronto, McGill University, and the University of British Columbia offer athletic scholarships to international students. These scholarships is fully funded. Thanks for watching. Thank you for joining us today as we explored the top athletic scholarships. If you found this video helpful or inspiring, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and share it with fellow student athletes who may benefit from this information. To learn more tactics like never before, call 0000000 or visit example.com.